Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, okay, so I am taking the Cream of Nature. I had two colors and I am getting ready to dye my hair. So I'm just basically, couldn't decide whether I wanted it just on the ends or how far I wanted it up. So I just kind of went with the flow. These all come with the developer, cream, all of that. I just put it all in the bottle, shook it up. I didn't put anything on my hair, and I just started working it on the ends all through my hair until I got it to where I wanted. At first I was trying to do highlights, so that's what that looks like right there. I was trying to do highlights, but I ain't have time for all that. So you'll see later that I just put it everywhere. So I'm getting ready to be a total creep because I am such a goofball. But I went into the kitchen to grab some foil because I wanted to just put it on my hair so that it can activate quicker and I wouldn't have to leave this on my hair for a long time. So I started talking on the phone, so this is how I record. So I just waited 30 minutes and then I came back and I checked it and this is what it looked like. So I'm getting ready to wash it out. So as you can see, I washed it out and right now it has like a brassy color. So I am going to tone it with the T-Wella, and I used the T11. I also had a T27, but I used the lightest one. Whichever one was the lightest blonde is what I used to tone my hair, and I think I let that sit on my hair for about 30 minutes, maybe less. I wasn't timing it. I'm horrible at these things. I just kind of gauge it to where I think my hair can handle it. So after I let that sit, I just went on and washed it out, conditioned my hair really good, and it didn't really get blonde, but it's a nice fall color. And I think I'm gonna process it in some spots one more time just to give the hair more dimension.